Hi, good afternoon. This is Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my channel Oil, Gas, Water Knowledge Hub. This presentation on piping inspection engineers, fieldwork instructions. It is made with lot of things which are most useful in the day-to-day field activities. This is covered B31.3 process piping and other codes also. Okay, my friend, let's go. Hope that it is useful. Will be carried out. As I discussed earlier, many places to prevent the hazardous conditions and to reduce the cost and save the time, they are avoiding RT and going for UT. Okay, no problem. But wherever it is avoided, RT is avoided, and wherever not, UT is not possible, then in that cases you should go for RT only. Suppose a elbow with flange, small size, you cannot do that practically UT. So in such cases, you should go for RT testing. Okay, non-availability of scanning distances. That's the reason. When you do for 2 inches or 3 inches with elbow flange or fitting anything, immediately the scanning distance you will not get as per the requirement. Pipe wall thickness is less than 5 mm. Not possible. Okay. And pipe NB is less than 2 inches. Even I don't prefer even for 2 inches also. Less than 2 inches, definitely it is not. It is RT only required. UT is comfort above 6 inches only. 4 inches also possible, but difficulty. Flange and fittings, you have to go for double random, double wall thickness, and you can see it. Special techniques are there in UT. Tandem technique. Okay. And for size, type and for type of film, number of exposures, refer RT1 specification or procedure. Once you are doing RT, what type of film shall be used and how many exposures are required, it should be mentioned in the approved one specification. Okay. Precaution to be taken during RT execution, only qualified SNT, TC 1A personnel to be carried out, the RT, UT, MPT, DPT, RT film interpretation as per ASME section 5. A valid work permit to be taken prior to start RT activity at applicable areas. Source, strength and barricade area to be written down on a permit. Check availability of survey meter, TLD badge, dosimeter, cordon of area with warning sign, tape and warning signs. Follow relevant procedures, checklist, risk assessment, RT acceptance standards. ASME B31.3, table number 341.2 per 3.2, ASME BTV, boilers, preservers, code, section 5, article 2, ASME 31.1, section 8, appendix 4, relevant indications which axis the following dimensions shall be considered relevant. T for less than 3.2 mm thickness from 1/8 inch to 3.2 mm 6 mm and 132 inches greater than 1/4 T 6 mm 52 51 mm 1116 greater than 51 mm thickness. Okay. Ultrasonic testing. Sorry. Refer Warner's UT procedures and ASTM E164 for UT contact examination of weld elements. ASME section 5 class T 542.8.5.1 ferritic welds in ferritic pipes. T 542.8.1.1 to T 542.8.5.1 AL is equal to 8. It's just a minimum length of mock-up block. Okay. Notch depth with diameter 10% T. L is equal to 1 inch minimum, width 1/8 inch to 1/4, 20% of the depth. T 542.8.2 angle beam calibration. Ensure T 542.8.2 DAC yield to 80% of screen height. T 542.8.25 straight beam calibration. T 542.8.2.4.3 evaluation. Any imperfection which causes an indication exceeds of 20% of DAC shall be investigated to the extent that it can be evaluated in terms of the acceptance standards of the referring code section. Check drawing number, hot punch on the joint number and welder number. Check weld visual report for visual clearance. Check DPT, MPT reports not required for BSRUT. Check surface condition for smoothness and punch mark for reference of welder, weld center in case one side scanning. Check PMI, positive material identification if required, as required, or site requirements. Confirm pipe wall thickness by TR probe. Confirm UT mock-up block number. Check parent material with TR probe for defects. Scanning area. Scan weld in transverse directions with two different angle probes. Scan the weld in parallel direction of weld axis and the reinforcement in both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Ensure all UT check list points are followed. Acceptance criteria for indications. ASME BPV code section 8, division 1, appendix 12. Ensure post cleaning. Okay, is it clear? 6.10.3 magnetic particle testing, MPT. Activity, acceptance limit, reference document. In MPT, check surface condition of weld 1 inch distance either side. Accept dry, free from dirt, lint, dust, grease, oil, oxidize, flux, spatters. Surface to be prepared smooth with power brush or grinding. It is reference document bonus procedure. Personal qualification level 2 ASNT, SNT, TC 1A. Refer bonus MPT procedure. Bonus MPT procedure. Evaluation of results. ASME B 31.3, table 341.3.2, part A 344.3, ASTM E709 standard guide for MP examinations. Recording of the results, bonus MPT procedure formats. Ensure post cleaning and demagnetization, bonus MPT procedure. Okay. Then dye pattern test. Activity, acceptance criteria, reference document. Ensure all penetrant developer screens are the same type of manufacturer. Physical verification, bonus procedure. Okay, check for expiry date. Surface preparation, dye free as earlier. Bonus procedure, check. E16 165 standard test for LP examination. Surface temperature 16 degrees Celsius to 52 degrees Celsius. Personal qualification level 2 ASNT, SNT, TC on here. Recording of results, one specification. Evaluation of results, 31.3, ASME B 31.3, table number 341.2, parallel number 344.4. Ensure post cleaning, one specification. Thank you very much, my friends. Your knowledge is your asset. Wish you happy, bright, wonderful career ahead. All the best. Please subscribe my channel. Share this knowledge. I worked in this field for 40 years. I love to pass on the information, whatever I remember in my mind, and I am preparing, collecting some information also.